The Knowledge Library present. MCQ quiz on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Maratha destiny. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for all competitive exam preparations.
Chauth was option A, a religious tax imposed by Aurangzeb. Option B, toll tax imposed by Shivaji. Option C, irrigation tax charged by Akbar. And option D, land tax levied by Shivaji on neighboring states. And the correct answer is option D, land tax levied by Shivaji on neighboring states. The next question. Under the administration of Shivaji, Peshwa was referred to as option A, Minister of Religious Affairs. Option B, Minister of Defence. Option C, Prime Minister. And option D, Minister of Justice. The correct answer is option C, Prime Minister. The next question is, Baji Rao was the ruler of which dynasty? Option A, Nanda dynasty. Option B, Maratha dynasty. Option C, Haryanka dynasty. And option D, Maurya dynasty. And the correct answer will be option B, Maratha dynasty. Moving on to the next question. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the ruler of which dynasty? Option A, Nanda dynasty. Option B, Haryanka dynasty. Option C, Maurya dynasty. Option D, Maratha dynasty. And the correct answer is option D, Maratha dynasty. Moving on to the next question. Where did Shivaji was born? Option A, Shivaner. Option B, Bijapur. Option C, Pune. And option D, Raigad. And the correct answer is option A, Shivaner. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following was sent against Shivaji by the Bijapur Sultan? Option A, Afzal Khan. Option B, Muhammad Shah. Option C, Firoz Shah. And option D, Jai Singh. And the correct answer is option A, Afzal Khan. The next question is, after the death of Raja Ram in 1700 AD, Marathas continued the war against the Mughals under his brave wife. Option A, Tarabai. Option B, Lakshmi Bai. Option C, Ramabai. And option D, Jijabai. The correct answer is option A, Tarabai. The next question. Identify the European power from whom Shivaji obtained cannons and ammunition. Option A, the French. Option B, the Portuguese. Option C, the Dutch. And option D, the English. And the correct answer is option B, the Portuguese. The next question. The guerrilla warfare was pioneered by option A, Aurangzeb. Option B, Akbar. Option C, Shivaji. Option D, Balaji Rao. And the correct answer is option C, Shivaji. Moving on to the next question. The most powerful Peshwa was option A, Balaji Bajirao. Option B, Baji Rao. Option C, Madhava Rao. And option D, Balaji Vishwanath. And the correct answer will be option B, Baji Rao. The next question. Baji Rao II was the ruler of which dynasty? Option A, Nanda dynasty. Option B, Haryanka dynasty. Option C, Maurya dynasty. And option D, Peshwa dynasty. And the correct answer is option D, Peshwa dynasty. Moving on to the next question. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus Station was designed by whom? Option A, Frederick William Stevens. Option B, Santiago Calatrava. Option C, Fazlur Rahman Khan. And option D, Free Otto. And the correct answer is option A, Frederick William Stevens. The next question is, what was the title of Shivaji? Option A, Mahavira. Option B, Rajadhiraja. Option C, Chhatrapati. Option D, Nayaka. And the correct answer is option C, Chhatrapati. Moving on to the next question. Shivaji ceded the forts of the Mughal by which treaty? Option A, Chittor. Option B, Pune. Option C, Purandar. And option D, Torna. And the correct answer is option C, Purandar. Moving on to the next question. Which among the following was the capital of Shivaji? Option A, Pune. Option B, Raigad. Option C, Sindhgarh. And option D, Panhala. And the correct answer is option B, Raigad. The next question is, how many times did Shivaji plunder Surat? Option A, 4 times. Option B, once. Option C, thrice. And option D, twice. The correct answer is option D, twice. Moving on to the next question. In which year Shivaji was crowned as the Chhatrapati? Option A, 1608. Option B, 1646. Option C, 1674. And option D, 1710. And the correct answer is option C, 1674. Moving on to the next question. Chhatrapati Sambhaji was the ruler of which dynasty? Option A, Maratha dynasty. Option B, Nanda dynasty. Option C, Haryanka dynasty. And option D, Maurya dynasty. And the correct answer is option A, Maratha dynasty. Moving on to the next question. When Shivaji was born? Option A, 1632. Option B, 1627. Option C, 1678. And option D, 1634. And the correct answer is option B, 1627. Moving on to the next question. Treaty of Purandar was signed between Dash and Shivaji. Option A, Raja Jai Singh. Option B, Afzal Khan. Option C, Shahista Khan. And option D, Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is option A, Raja Jai Singh. Moving on to the next question. Marathas were the people who lived in the hilly regions of option A, Deccan. Option B, North India. Option C, West Bengal. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, Deccan. Moving on to the next question. Who was the mother of Shivaji? Option A, Jijabai. Option C, Jijabai Bhosle. Option C, Saibai Bhosle. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, Jijabai Bhosle. Moving on to the next question. At the time of Rajaram, which one is the capital of Maratha Empire? Option A, Pune. Option B, Hyderabad. Option C, Satara. And option D, none of these. The correct answer will be option C, Satara. Moving on to the next question. Who was named as Senakarte? Option A, Bajirao. Option B, Balaji Vishwanath. Option C, Kavi Kailash. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Balaji Vishwanath. Moving on to the next question. Battle of Palkhed was fought between option A, Balaji Rao and Nizam. Option B, Mughal and Nizam. Option C, Bajirao and Mughal. And option D, none of these. The correct answer will be option A, Bajirao and Nizam. Moving on to the next question. Mastani was the wife of option A, Bajirao the first. Option B, Vishwanath. Option C, Bajirao the second. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Bajirao the first. Moving on to the next question. Who created Hindu Padshaahi? Option A, Balaji Bajirao. Option B, Bajirao the One. Option C, Madhav Rao. and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, Bajirao II. Moving on to the next question, who was known as Nana Sahib? Option A, Bajirao I. Option B, Balaji Bajirao. Option C, Shahuji. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Balaji Bajirao. Moving on to the next question. First Anglo-Maratha War was started in option A 1785, option B 1775, option C 1778 and option D 1780. The correct answer is option B 1775. Moving on to the next question. Who founded the Peshwa dynasty? Option A, Balaji Vishwanath. Option B, Madhavrao Ballal. Option C, Narayan Rao. And option D, Raghunath Rao. And the correct answer is Balaji Vishwanath. Moving on to the next question. Who was the last Peshwa of the Maratha Empire? Option A, Balaji Vishwanath. Option B, Bajirao II. Option C, Balaji Bajirao. And option D, Bajirao. The correct answer is option B, Bajirao II. Moving on to the next question. Between whom was the Treaty of Purandar in 1776 made? Marathas and the Rajputs. Option B, Marathas and Nizam. Option C, Marathas and Mughals. Option D, Marathas and the British. The correct answer is option D, Marathas and the British. Moving on to the next question. The third battle of Panipat was fought between option A, Maratha and Tipu. Option B, Maratha and Hyder Ali. Option C, Maratha and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Option D, Maratha and Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is option C, Maratha and Ahmad Shah Abdali. The next question. Shivaji defeated the Mughals in the battle of option A, Salhar. Option B, Panipat. Option C, Purandar. And option D, Raigad. The correct answer is option A, Salhar. The next question. Who was called the Chanakya of Maratha politics? Option A, Balaji Vishwanath. Option B, Nana Fadnavis. Option C, Shivaji. And option D, Sambhaji Rao. The correct answer is Nana Fadnavis. The next question. Who among the following Maratha chieftains helped the Shahid brothers in dethroning the emperor Farrukhsiyar? Option A, Balaji Vishwanath. Option B, Bajirao I. Option C, Raghunath Rao. And option D, Raja Ram. The correct answer is option A, Balaji Vishwanath. Moving on to the next question. The English ambassador who had attended the coronation of Shivaji with presents from East India Company at Raigad was option A, Captain Grey. Option B, Oxenden. Option C, Humphrey Cook. And option D, Sir Gervase Lucas. And the correct answer is Oxenden. Which fort ceded by Shivaji to the Mughals by the terms of the Treaty of Purandar could not be won back by Shivaji? Option A, Purandar. Option B, Maholi. Option C, Lohagarh. And option D, Shivneri. The correct answer is option D, Shivneri. Moving on to the next question. In the third battle of Panipat, Marathas were defeated by option A, Mughals. Option B, Rohillas. Option C, Britishers. And option D, Afghans. The correct answer is option D, Afghans. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following Maratha officers looked after the revenue department? Option A, Peshwa. Option B, Amalya. Option C, Sachiva. And option D, Sumant. The correct answer is option B, Amalya. Moving on to the next question. The Maratha powder readied its zenith during the Peshwaship of option A Balaji Vishwanath, option B Balaji II, option C Bajirao the first, and option D Madhav Rao. The correct answer is Balaji II. Who led the Marathas at the third battle of Panipat? Option A Bajirao II, option B Jaswant Rao Holkar, option C Mahadij Sindhia, option D Sadashiva Rao. And the correct answer is Sadashiva Rao. The next question is, the Maratha kingdom was founded by Shivaji during the reign of option A Muhammad bin Tughlaq, option B Akbar, option C Shah Jahan, option D Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is option D Aurangzeb. Moving on to the next question. After the death of Shivaji, there was a fight for succession between option A Sambhaji and the widow of Shivaji, option B Sambhaji and Bajirao, option C Raja Ram and Sambhaji, and option D none of these. The correct answer is option C Raja Ram and Sambhaji. The next question. Which one among the following thinkers argued that Maratha rule in general and Shivaji in particular represented early nationalist consciousness in India? Option A Pandita Ramabai, option B M.G. Ranade, option C Bipin Chandra Pal, and option D Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The next question is, which one of the following methods of revenue assessment is related to the Vijayanagara Empire? Option A Chauth, option B Rehotwari, option C Re Rekho, and option D Sardesh Mukhi. The correct answer is option D Sardesh Mukhi. Moving on to the next question. Shivaji's Agra adventure was planned by option A Afzal Khan, option B Shahista Khan, option C Jai Singh, and option D Mir Jumla. The correct answer is option C Jai Singh. Moving on to the next question. Name the religious personality who exercised a great influence over Shivaji. Option A Tukaram, option B Guru Nanak Dev, option C Mirabai, option D Guru Ramdas. And the correct answer is option D Guru Ramdas. Moving on to the next question. Shivaji founded the Maratha kingdom by annexing the territories of option A Bijapur, option B Mughals, option C both A and B, and option D Bijapur, Golconda and Mughals. Option C both A and B is the right answer. The next question. The second founder of the Maratha kingdom was option A Tarabai, option B Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath, option C Peshwa Bajirao, and option D Sahu. And the correct answer is option B Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath. Moving on to the next question. The Mughal general who decisively defeated Shivaji and forced him to conclude the Treaty of Purandar was option A Shaista Khan, option B Mirza Raja Jai Singh, and option C Prince Muzam, and option D Dilir Khan. The correct answer is option B Mirza Raja Jai Singh. The next question is, after the death of Raja Ram in 1700 AD, Marathas continued the war against the Mughals under his brave wife. Option A Tarabai, option B Lakshmi Bai, option C Ramabai, and option D Jijabai. The correct answer is option A Tarabai. The next question is, the Shivaji festival was inaugurated in 1895 by option A Hume, option B Morley, option C Tilak, and option D Gokhale. The correct answer is option C Tilak. The next question is, Tarabai, who conducted the affairs of the Maratha government from 1700 to 1707, was the widow of the Maratha king. Option A Sambhaji, option B Shivaji, option C Raja Ram, and option D, Shivaji III. The correct answer is option C, Raja Ram.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.